welcome back to Gilbert Gardens. We're here today to give you an update September 1st on how the garden's kind of wrapping up this season. We've done super well compared to last year. It's not even comparable. So right now we're just in the process of getting things kind of prepped for next year in the winter by taking out all of the old vegetables, putting them in the compost, and making sure the soil's topped up with the leftover compost that we have and any extra soil that we have coming in. And that's where we're at.
Okay guys, so is that pretty loud?
Yeah, that's a good volume. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm this morning I woke up super early. I got ready to pull all the weeds out of the old beans. Oh, peas.
Peas.
I always kind of mixed up.
There's a big difference.
I know. The peas, the bed, it's been pretty much dead for a month now almost.
For a while, yeah.
Yeah, 3 weeks anyway. So I pulled all the old veggies out and I got all the weeds out, did a light raking, and then I got my favorite tool out, which is the friggin' propane torch. I cooked whatever, seeds were on the bed there, sitting in the bed, and then I took the compost that we actually did a video on a few weeks ago. So it's been sitting here in this bed. So I put a little layer of that on, which I'm going to basically top up each bed. I'm going to need more compost for sure, but we're working on it. So that's where we're at with, basically we have one bed complete.
Nice. Perfect.
Yeah.
That's great. Good progress.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So the last few vegetables that we're going to harvest before we kind of wrap up for the season are the rest of the tomatoes. They're still coming in hot. And we have about 5 spaghetti squash that we're just trying to get ripened up before we pick them. And the beans, we probably have one more round of beans to go. So those are the last few things that we're waiting for, and then we're going to be officially done for the season, and we'll see you next year, spring 2021, for Gilbert Gardens round 4 or round 3? 3. Third time's the charm. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. Bye. Hey, seriously, look at that tomato. It's the biggest tomato I've ever seen. I've never seen a tomato that big.